In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on autosave in Photoshop. This is a quick setting that can save you a lot of headache by recovering your work if Photoshop or your computer crashes unexpectedly. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop. Once the app is up, we're going straight to the Preferences. On Windows, go to the Edit menu at the top and choose Preferences. On a Mac, you'll find Preferences under the Photoshop menu. Either way, this opens the Preferences window, which is where Photoshop keeps its general and file-related settings. When the Preferences window appears, you might land on the General section by default. That's fine. Look to the list on the left and click File Handling. This is the area that controls how Photoshop manages saving, file compatibility, and recovery. In File Handling, find the option labeled Automatically Save Recovery Information Every. Check the box to enable it. This feature doesn't replace your normal saves. Instead, it quietly creates recovery snapshots of your document. If Photoshop quits or your system freezes, those snapshots help you restore your work when you relaunch the app. Think of it as an emergency safety net while your regular saves remain the best way to protect your files. Next, choose the interval that works best for you. You can set it to every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. If you're working on detailed projects where every change matters, 5 or 10 minutes is a great choice. If you handle massive, high-resolution files and notice brief pauses during autosave, consider 15 or 30 minutes to balance performance and protection. 1 hour is the most lightweight, but it means you could lose up to an hour of work in a worst-case scenario, so pick a shorter interval if you can. When you're happy with the interval, click OK to apply your changes. From now on, Photoshop will automatically create recovery information at the schedule you selected. If the app ever crashes, reopen Photoshop and it will attempt to restore your documents using those recovery files. Just remember to keep saving your project normally with Ctrl+S or Command+S, especially before big edits or exports, because recovery files are for emergencies and don't replace your main saved document. And that's it. You open Photoshop, went to Preferences, switched to File Handling, enabled automatic recovery, chose your interval, and confirmed with OK. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.